The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is Google's second foldable device and gives you loads of space to multitask and stay productive. When unfolded, the huge 8-inch display lets you do more at once with split screen. So if you're on a video call but you want to keep an eye on the football at the same time, you can do both on just one device. All you've got to do is select and hold the app that you want to split screen, touch split screen, and there you have it. And with two apps on one screen, you can easily move text and images from one to the other. So there's no more copying something in one app, closing it and opening another just to paste it. Just drag and drop. With a larger screen, your video calls will be much clearer. So if someone's sharing a presentation, you're not going to have to squint to see the details. You can also make use of split screen here, using the phone to stay on the call on one side while taking meeting notes on the other. With two screens, you get twice the possibilities. If you're traveling and you're struggling to chat with the locals, Google Translate in dual screen mode lets you have an easy face-to-face conversation. Just place the phone in tabletop mode and both people can see a real-time translation of what the other person is saying. Hello, how are you? If you'd like more info about the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a shop live video call.